Houses in Japan lose value. In most countries, property is an investment. Prices go up over time. But in Japan, it works differently. A house can lose most of its value in just 20 to 30 years. In some cases, the building is worth almost nothing. Only the land has value. So people are not really buying a permanent home. They are buying something temporary. Why would a developed country design its housing system this way? The answer begins with how buildings are treated. In Japan, houses are treated like products. Just like a car, they are expected to age and lose value. After a few decades, many homes are considered outdated. Buyers often prefer new construction. So instead of maintaining old houses, people tear them down and rebuild. This creates a constant cycle: demolition and rebuilding. The system does not reward long-term ownership. It rewards rebuilding. But culture is only part of the story. The deeper reason is regulation. Japan has relatively flexible zoning laws. In many cities, different types of buildings can exist close together. This makes it easier to redevelop land. There are fewer restrictions compared to many Western cities. At the same time, after World War II, Japan needed to rebuild quickly and efficiently. The priority was quantity, not permanence. But there is another constraint: nature. Japan experiences frequent earthquakes. Building standards are constantly updated. Upgrading old houses to meet new safety rules is expensive. In many cases, rebuilding is simply cheaper. So over time, older buildings lose their value faster. That logic still shapes the system today. Land holds value. Buildings do not. This creates a very different housing market. In many countries, rising house prices lock people out. But in Japan, supply is constantly refreshed. New homes keep entering the market. Prices remain more stable. The city keeps changing, but it stays accessible. So Japan did not fail to create long-lasting housing. It chose a different system. One where buildings are temporary, and land is the real asset. It may seem inefficient at first, but it solves a different problem. When homes are not treated as permanent wealth, the entire housing market works differently.